Okay, so today we're going on that road trip that we planned a few days ago. I'm going to be using myCAR to make sure the car is okay, and if there's anything wrong, it should flag up to me. I'm going to go down to the car now, get it all sorted, and then the gang are going to come down and meet me in a bit. So let's go. myCAR, we're going on that road trip that we planned the other day. Is the car still good to go?
Ah, exciting. Yes, the car is good to go.
Nice.
Although, keep an eye on the front right tyre. Its pressure has dropped slightly since you topped it up.
Oh no. Okay, so I think we've got a flat tyre. It was feeling a bit kind of stiff. So yeah, I'm just gonna ask myCAR what to do and how to fix it. And hopefully it won't take too long. And I feel like it's a slow puncture, but myCAR will confirm that for us. myCAR, I think I've got a flat tyre.
Oh no, let me diagnose it quickly.
Fingers crossed, it's not bad.
It seems to just be a slow puncture, which is easier to fix roadside.
That's okay.
Do you have an air compressor in the car?
Yes, I do.
Great, that makes things much easier. Get everything together, then let me know when you are ready.
Okay, I'll get stuff together and then, yeah, we'll come back to this probably about halfway through. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the tyre to get pumped up. Only take probably about another minute maybe, and it should be okay to drive on after that. But yeah, we'll see you when it's pumped up fully.
When the dial reaches 32 psi, detach the nozzle and replace the valve cap.
Valve cap here. Okay.
The tyre should now be okay to
So
drive on
dirty.
for a short while.
Ah, great.
I will monitor it and let you know if the pressure drops rapidly.
Nice. We're good. myCAR, when is my next service?
You are due a service in 3 weeks on the 29th of May. Would you like me to book you in?
Yeah, that would be good, thanks.
Okay, I'll phone your usual garage now. And yes, I will let them know of the slow puncture.